Are you looking for the best bladeless table fans? In this video, we'll take a look at 5 of the best bladeless table fans available on the market today. Whether you're looking for a quiet fan for your bedroom, a stylish option for your office, or a powerful cooling solution for your home, we've got you covered. Before we get started, we've included links to all the products mentioned in this video in the description below. Be sure to check them out to find the latest prices and see which one fits your needs and budget. Now, let's get started with our list of the 5 best bladeless table fans. Number 1. KONSIDEN Bladeless Desk Fan. After using the KONSIDEN Bladeless Desk Fan in my home office and bedroom for several weeks, I found it to be a stylish, safe, and quiet cooling solution for personal use. Its compact size, bladeless design, and simple touch controls make it a great option for desks, nightstands, and small workspaces. The first thing that caught my attention was the modern bladeless design. Unlike traditional desk fans, there are no exposed blades, which makes it much safer around children and pets. I also appreciated how easy it is to clean since dust doesn't collect on fan blades like it does on conventional models. The fan is surprisingly quiet during operation. Even while working or reading, the noise level remained low and never became distracting. This makes it ideal for offices, bedrooms, dorm rooms, or any environment where you need a gentle breeze without constant fan noise. I found the touch controls very convenient. With a simple tap, I could switch between the 3 available speed settings. The controls feel modern and responsive, eliminating the need for traditional buttons. Despite its compact size, the airflow is adequate for personal cooling. It performs best when placed on a desk or nearby table where the airflow can directly reach you. While it won't replace a large room fan, it does an excellent job keeping a single user comfortable during warm days. The USB-C power design is another advantage. I was able to power it using a wall adapter, power bank, laptop, or USB charging station, making it highly versatile for different environments. Pros: modern and attractive bladeless design. Safer for children and pets. Very quiet operation. Easy to clean construction. Simple touch control system. 3 adjustable speed settings. Compact and lightweight design. USB-C powered for flexible use. Cons: airflow is limited compared to larger fans. No oscillation feature. Corded operation only. Best suited for personal cooling rather than large rooms. Number 2. LEVOIT Tower Fan. After using the LEVOIT Tower Fan in my bedroom and home office, I quickly realized why it has become one of the most popular compact tower fans on the market. It combines powerful airflow, whisper-quiet performance, and premium features in a small, portable design that fits almost anywhere. The first thing I noticed was how quiet this fan is. At its lowest setting, the noise level is only around 20 dB, making it nearly silent. I used it while sleeping, reading, and working, and it never became distracting. The display off function is also a nice touch for nighttime use because it eliminates unwanted light in the room. Despite its compact size, the airflow is surprisingly powerful. Thanks to LEVOIT's Vortex Air technology and efficient DC motor, the fan produces a focused breeze that feels much stronger than many other desk-sized fans I have tested. The maximum airflow speed reaches up to 23 feet per second, which is impressive for a unit this small. One feature I really appreciated was the customizable oscillation. Being able to choose between 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees oscillation angles allowed me to direct airflow exactly where I wanted it. Whether cooling a single workspace or spreading air throughout a room, the flexibility was very useful. The included remote control adds extra convenience. I could adjust fan speeds, oscillation settings, and timer functions from across the room without getting up. The 12-hour timer is particularly helpful for overnight use, allowing the fan to turn off automatically after I fall asleep. Portability is another strong advantage. The lightweight design and built-in carrying handle make it easy to move between the bedroom, office, kitchen, or living room. Even though it is compact, it feels sturdy and well-built. Pros: ultra-quiet operation as low as 20 dB. Powerful airflow for its compact size. Multiple oscillation angles, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. 5 speed settings plus turbo mode. Convenient remote control included. Energy-efficient DC motor. 12-hour programmable timer. Compact and easy to carry. Modern bladeless design. Cons: premium price compared to basic desk fans. Not designed for cooling very large rooms. Remote can be easy to misplace. No smart app or Wi-Fi connectivity. Number 3. Misby Rechargeable Desk Fan. After using the Misby Rechargeable Desk Fan in my home office, bedroom, and study area, I found it to be a stylish and practical cooling solution for personal use. Its bladeless design, rechargeable battery, colorful LED lighting, and compact size make it a great option for anyone looking for a safe and portable desk fan. The first thing that caught my attention was the modern bladeless design. Unlike traditional desk fans, this model uses turbo airflow technology and eliminates exposed blades, making it safer around children and pets. I also appreciated how easy it was to clean since there are no fan blades collecting dust. One of my favorite features is the rechargeable battery. After a full charge, I was able to use the fan for several hours without needing a power outlet. Depending on the speed setting, the battery lasted between 4 and 8 hours, which was more than enough for a work session or evening relaxation. It can also run directly from a laptop, power bank, or USB connection when needed. The 3 speed settings provide enough flexibility for different situations. The lowest setting is quiet and comfortable for reading or sleeping, while the higher settings deliver stronger airflow for warmer days. Although it is not as powerful as larger tower fans, it provides plenty of cooling for personal use at a desk or bedside table. The built-in 5-color LED lighting adds a unique touch. The soft color-changing lights create a pleasant atmosphere at night and can even function as a small bedside light. I found this feature especially useful when working late or relaxing before sleep. Its compact size makes it easy to place almost anywhere. It fits comfortably on desks, nightstands, shelves, and small workspaces without taking up much room. The lightweight design also makes it easy to move from one room to another. Pros. Safe bladeless design for kids and pets. Rechargeable battery with 4 to 8 hours runtime. Can operate through USB or battery power. 3 adjustable fan speeds. Attractive 5-color LED lighting. Compact and lightweight design. Easy to clean and maintain. Suitable for bedrooms, offices, and study rooms. Cons. Airflow is weaker than larger desk or tower fans. Only 3 speed settings available. LED lighting may not appeal to all users. Not ideal for cooling large rooms. Number 4. KONSIDEN Bladeless Desk Fan. After using the KONSIDEN Bladeless Desk Fan at my desk, in my home office, and during travel, I found it to be a practical and stylish cooling solution for personal use. Its bladeless design, rechargeable battery, quiet operation, and portable size make it a convenient choice for anyone looking for a safe and compact desk fan. The first thing that stood out to me was the modern bladeless design. Unlike traditional fans with exposed blades, this model uses turbine technology to create airflow while keeping fingers protected. This makes it a safer option for homes with children or pets. I also appreciated how easy it was to clean since there are no blades collecting dust. One of the most useful features is the built-in 5000 mAh rechargeable battery. Depending on the speed setting, I was able to use the fan for several hours on a single charge. The battery life ranges from approximately 4 to 12 hours, which is enough for a workday, study session, or outdoor activity. Since it supports USB charging, I could also power it through a laptop, power bank, or wall adapter. The 3 speed settings offer enough flexibility for different environments. The low setting provides a gentle breeze for reading or working, while the higher settings deliver stronger airflow during warmer conditions. Although it is designed as a personal fan rather than a room fan, it does an excellent job of keeping the immediate area cool. Another feature I enjoyed was the quiet performance. With a noise level around 30 dB, the fan operates quietly enough for office work, studying, video calls, or sleeping. Even at higher speeds, the sound remains relatively unobtrusive. The touch control system gives the fan a clean and modern feel. Adjusting speeds only requires a simple tap, making operation quick and effortless. The compact size and lightweight design also make it easy to move between rooms or take on trips. Pros. Safe bladeless design for children and pets. Built-in 5000 mAh rechargeable battery. Up to 12 hours of runtime per charge. Quiet operation at around 30 dB. 3 adjustable airflow speeds. Easy to use touch controls. Lightweight and travel-friendly. Easy to clean and maintain. Cons. Airflow is designed for personal cooling only. No oscillation feature. Only 3 speed settings available. Not suitable for cooling larger rooms. Number 5. ULTTY Bladeless Fan with Air Purifier. After using the ULTTY Bladeless Fan with Air Purifier in my bedroom and home office, I found it to be much more than a standard tower fan. It combines cooling, air purification, quiet operation, and modern safety features into one sleek appliance. For anyone looking to improve both comfort and indoor air quality, this fan offers an impressive all-in-one solution. The first feature that stood out to me was the combination of a bladeless fan and a true HEPA air purifier. Unlike traditional fans that simply circulate air, this model actively filters dust, allergens, and airborne particles while providing a steady stream of cool air. I noticed that the room felt fresher after several hours of operation, especially in enclosed spaces. Cooling performance is excellent for a medium-sized room. The 90-degree oscillation and adjustable 30-degree air outlet help distribute airflow evenly throughout the space. Whether I was working at my desk or relaxing in bed, the fan delivered consistent airflow without creating uncomfortable drafts. One of my favorite features is the wide range of customization options. With 9 speed levels and 3 operating modes, I could easily find the perfect setting for different situations. The lower speeds worked well for nighttime use, while the higher settings provided strong airflow during warmer days. The quiet operation makes it especially suitable for bedrooms. Noise levels remain below 32 dB, which is barely noticeable during sleep. I also appreciated the display dimming function and 8-hour timer, both of which contribute to a more comfortable sleeping environment. The included remote control adds convenience, allowing me to adjust settings from across the room. The touch control panel is equally responsive and gives the fan a modern appearance. Since the design is bladeless, cleaning is much easier compared to traditional tower fans. The HEPA filtration system is another major advantage. The purifier can cover rooms up to approximately 390 square feet and refresh the air multiple times per hour. For people with allergies, pets, or concerns about indoor air quality, this feature adds significant value. Pros. Combines fan and air purifier in one unit. True HEPA filter captures airborne particles. Quiet operation under 32 dB. 9 speed levels and 3 operating modes. Wide 90 degrees oscillation for better airflow coverage. Safe bladeless design for children and pets. Convenient remote and touch controls. Adjustable airflow direction. Easy to clean and maintain. Excellent for bedrooms and home offices. Cons. Replacement filters require ongoing maintenance. Higher price than standard tower fans. Not as powerful as some large room pedestal fans. Filter replacement needed every 3 to 6 months.